ABC Educational Channel. Today let's learn about animal in action. What can animals do? It's a horse. What can a horse do? It can gallop. It's a parrot. What can a parrot do? It can fly. It's a dog. What can a dog do? It can run. It's a squirrel. What can a squirrel do? It can climb. It's a rabbit. What can a rabbit do? It can hop. It's a kangaroo. What can a kangaroo do? It can jump. It's an alligator. What can an alligator do? It can crawl. It's a duck. What can a duck do? It can waddle. It's an elephant. What can an elephant do? It can stomp. It's an owl. What can an owl do? It can swoop. It's a cat. What can a cat do? It can stretch. It's a monkey. What can a monkey do? It can swing. It's a turtle. What can a turtle do? It can paddle. It's a dolphin. What can a dolphin do? It can swim. Awesome, kids!